Keto or low carb? It's the ultimate weight loss debate that has dominated the health world for years. But as we move into 2026, the science has shifted. Today, we're uncovering which one actually works for long-term results and which one is just a passing trend. First, let's define our terms. Keto is an extreme low-carb, high-fat diet designed to put your body into ketosis. Low carb is more flexible, focusing on reducing refined sugars and grains. Both promise weight loss, but they work very differently in the body. On keto, you're essentially forced to burn fat because your body has no glucose left. This leads to rapid initial weight loss, but it requires near-perfect discipline. One slip-up, and you're out of ketosis. Low carb, on the other hand, allows for more variety. Think more vegetables, more berries, and even the occasional slice of whole grain bread. It's easier to maintain in social situations and doesn't lead to the dreaded keto flu. In 2026, the focus has moved away from rapid weight loss and toward metabolic flexibility. Recent studies suggest that for most people, a well-formulated low-carb diet provides 90% of the benefits of keto with half the struggle. One major concern with long-term keto is potential muscle loss if protein intake isn't carefully managed. Low-carb diets typically allow for more protein, which protects your muscle mass and keeps your resting metabolism high. Fiber is often missing in strict keto diets, which can wreck your gut microbiome. Low carb allows for more fiber-rich vegetables and fermented foods, supporting a healthy gut, which we now know is crucial for weight maintenance. So, who wins? For therapeutic needs or very rapid results, keto is powerful. But for the busy American looking for a lifestyle they can keep for 10 years, low carb is the clear winner in 2026. The best diet is the one you can stick to. Start by simply cutting out added sugars and processed grains. Fill your plate with high-quality proteins and colorful vegetables. That simple shift is more powerful than any perfect keto macro count. Remember, weight loss is just one part of health. Your energy, your mood, and your longevity are what really matter. Choose the path that nourishes your body and your life. Are you team keto or team low carb? Let me know your experience in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more evidence-based health deep dives. I'll see you in the next one.